Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here in for Rob. It's Monday, February 10th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks, so we had a great time this morning in the live training room. We had two trades, so I wanted to go through them this afternoon, I should say, very important. So on the Russell, on the 1 minute chart, we basically, when the U.S. Open happened, we had a nice down move. Okay, but then what I look for, folks, is retracements and then back in the direction of that trade. Okay, so the 5 minute was showing me bearish. And then when I looked at the 1 minute, we were getting all signals firing to the downside here. So we also had a Laguerre here. So basically I got in and I got 22 ticks on the Russell, so plus 22 ticks, and then I exited the trade. A couple reasons why I exited the trade. One, we see these wicks here, so right here. So a lot of times when you get down to a level that's been tested several times, it could consolidate or reverse. Okay, so I made the decision. I told the team, as we got in the trade, that I'm looking to get down to here and then exit. And then, won't you know it, we actually ended up having divergence as well after that. But nice solid trade of 22 ticks there, right around what, 945-ish on that. Okay. Then I had a second trade, and we bring up the S&P here on the 1 minute chart. And so here we were looking at starting to get back into the uptrend here. Okay, and so again, uptrend retracement, here's where I entered into the market. Now, the problem was for me, and I mentioned as soon as I got into the trade, that we have wicks here. I'm only looking to get 6 to 8 ticks on the S&P, okay? So because the reward there was only 6 to 8 ticks, when this candle went against me and opened up on the next bar, I was down 2 ticks. Okay, I was down 2 ticks. So I said I made the decision that I was going to get out of that trade. Okay. Now, if you stayed into the trade, obviously it worked out for you, but I really focus on risk reward. And in this particular case, because we had this area of resistance, I could only get 6 to 8 ticks. Okay. When it went against me again, I didn't want to turn a winning day into a losing day and get greedy on that. Okay. So basically I got plus 22 ticks on the Russell, minus 2 ticks on the S&P today. Following my exact rules. Hope you enjoyed. Appreciate those that were in the live training room this morning. So with that, folks, hope to see you again. Looking forward to the live training room coming up in the next couple of weeks again. And if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks again, everyone. Have a great day. Bye now.